Hello everyone, in this video you'll see a useful do-it-yourself project for your home and an old button mobile phone. First, you need to completely disassemble the phone. Next, solder two wires to the contact of any button. Now you need to reassemble the phone, bringing the wires outside. When the wires are shorted, the number 5 key should be triggered. Now you need to assign a speed dial number to this key. We check again and see that everything works perfectly. Next, you need to take a terminal block and screw it onto a small piece of board. Off camera, I made two jumpers. Clamp them in the terminal block as shown in the video. Then, use double-sided tape to attach the phone to the board. Now we also connect the wires from the phone to the terminal block. Screw 4 wires to the back of the terminal block. This is how everything turned out. Now we solder a piece of double-sided printed circuit board to the first wire. To the second wire, you need to solder a limit switch. To the third wire, we solder a sensor called a read switch. Solder a tilt sensor to the fourth one. At this stage, the homemade device is finished, and now watch how everything works. If water gets on the first sensor, the phone immediately starts calling the number you set. And in this way, for example, you can prevent flooding in a country house. The second sensor can be installed to detect door openings, and in this way, you can protect your house from burglars. The sensor called Gurkon needs to be attached to the window frame. Next, you need to take a small magnet and stick it to the glass above the sensor. Now, if the window is broken, the magnet will fall and trigger the Gurkon sensor, and then the phone will start calling the specified number. Well, and the fourth sensor is triggered when you tilt it. Let's take a Kinder box and put the sensor inside it, and for sealing, we'll fill everything with hot glue. This way, the sensor can be triggered by a decrease in the water level in some container. It will also command the phone to call a specified number. This homemade device turned out great and will be useful for many people with a dacha or country house. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.